thunderstorm warning for Hendricks County, northwestern Morgan County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Eminence, or 22 miles north of Bloomington, and moving north at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Little Point around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monroeville around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Stilesville around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Clayton around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 50 and 65. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 67 and 68. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows.